It's not bad luck. Chill Penguin, how are you? How's Florida going? When you come back, we have to hang out. This is the new room. I'll have to have you over. You didn't even get to see the old place. It's fine, you'll see the new place. But everyone, welcome. Adderall strength, what are you talking about? I come back Friday? Okay, perfect. Let me think. I think everything should be like moved and ready, so it'll be good. So lucky to have omen catchers. What does that mean? Okay, we'll have to, so Friday, if you come back Friday, you'll probably need a day or two to recuperate. Let's hang out like that weekend. Whenever you're free then. I want more jumping on the bed. No, why? Look, this is coming together. Okay, let me show you guys what it looks like. All right, let's see. So we have this. Come on, flip. This is my baby desk. I'm gonna get a bigger desk, okay? And then here's where the bed is. Oh yeah, we need to move the refrigerator. It's not gonna go there. Here's my succulent wall. I'm gonna move these. I'm gonna fill it with succulents because I have 2 more of these little glasses. Well, not glasses. You know what they are. What are they called? They're not bowls. They're not jars. What are they? Oh, pots. Okay. And then here is going to be filled with plants. Next to it's gonna be, I'm gonna move it over, and that's gonna be a cat tree for Lily. And then I guess maybe I can put the refrigerator there. Is that weird, a refrigerator by the door? Oh my God, congratulations! You just passed your driver's license test? That's amazing. Congratulations. Was it scary? Hey, hell yeah. Cool. Nice. Should I we'll have to celebrate. We can go like drink or something. What do you want to do? Do you want to make a cake? Wait, let's not make a cake. My partner cake looked really bad. Let's do something to celebrate. I was super nervous, but I knew I could do it. That's good. I'm glad. I think I failed the first time I took my driver's license test, but it's fine because I got it. Her cat? Yeah, Lily. That's my cat. Where should we put the refrigerator? I don't know where to put it. I guess we could put it, depending on how big my desk is, I guess we can put it like right there, but I want to get a new desk. So I think the bed looks good there, and then I'll put the end tables on each side. Where should we put that? You go in the kitchen? Question mark. No, this isn't our kitchen fridge. It's like a mini fridge. I don't know where to put it. How's the other monitor going to fit? I don't know.